Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In 2024, I had the opportunity of going over the website of top 200 universities in North America offering evolutionary biology. I also did that for science education. That was when I was looking for professors for my PhD. So in this video, I'll quickly show you how to go about it when you are looking for professors, either for your master's degree, for your PhD or postdoc. Yeah, so I'll make the Excel sheet available. I'll drop the link in the description box. Yeah, so this is the Excel sheet. This list contains the top 200 universities in North America that are offering courses in evolutionary biology or science education or education as the case may be. So for instance, you want to check for professors. Okay, let me start with Washington University, but you can start with any university anyway. But let's start with University of Washington. So you go to their website. Yeah, you just copy this, copy, yeah, you paste it in your browser. Yeah, so it takes you directly to the faculty of the Department of Biology. Yeah, depending on the department, it can be Department of Biology or Department of Biological Sciences or Department of Integrative Biology. So depending on the department. So here is the list of faculties in the Department of Biology in the University of Washington. But there's something I want you to do. It is clearly stated here that for those accepting, you have yes. For those not accepting, you see there. So I want to show you something because there are some professors that won't respond to email. Yes, some of these professors stated it clearly on their website that you must either fill a form if you're a prospective graduate student. For instance, Treble. Yeah, you click on Treble, her name. Yeah, you can see she's currently accepting students. Yes, in her field. So you click on websites. Yes, it will take you directly to her website. So on this website, you get to see a whole lot of things that she's doing in her lab. But what I want you to note is this opportunities tab. So you click on opportunities. Yeah, here you get to see the things she's interested in for her prospective graduate student. But read this point. This is where I want you to note. Yeah, it is stated that I will not respond to email inquiries, only to form responses. So, for instance, if you email Dr. Treble, she won't respond to your email. She only accepts inquiries through her Google form. Yeah, but the Google form is currently not available. I think she'll make it available very soon. So, that's one of the examples of professors that don't respond to email inquiries. Otherwise, you get their adverts on maybe on any social media handle, but know that some professors don't reply to email inquiries. So it's very important you go over their website yourself and get to see things for yourself. For instance, Wang is also accepting students. You click on Wang, you go to her lab website, go to our lab website, is loading. Yeah, different website has different setup. Yeah, you go to join. Yeah, for different lab you have different setup. So you go to join, so you can see where it is stated she's accepting graduate student. Okay, this has ended, but you can check back later. Yeah, so for her you can reach out to her via her email. Yeah, that is it for University of Washington. So you can do that for other universities. Let's still try another university. Let's go to Wayne State University. Wayne State. Yeah, so this is for Wayne State. This is for Wayne State University. Yeah, so you just like we did for the University of Washington, you go to Wayne State University, you just copy the link, go to your browser, you paste it, Yeah, you give it time to load, and it takes you directly to the faculty of Wayne State University in their department. Yeah, so this is their own college, College of Liberal Arts and Sciences. So you look out for, you just search for professors in your field. For instance, let's go to Wayne Long, Dr. Wayne Long. Yeah, so these are the things he does. Here is his lab website. You go to his lab website, you get to see information, and he is accepting students. We are currently seeking motivated PhD students who are interested in genomics or and bioinformatics. So you can email him on why you want him to accept you as a prospective graduate student. Yeah, so that is that for the field of evolutionary biology. Yeah, we can also do that for the field of education. So let's still try Wayne State University. You click, you copy, you go to your browser, you paste, you give it time to load. Yeah, so this is the faculty, College of Education of Wayne State University. So you can go over these things yourself and look for professors that are accepting students. Yeah, so what I would advise you to do, since you already have links to the top 200 universities in North America, there are some schools from Canada as well on this list. Yeah, so what you need to do is please go over these universities one after the other. For professors offering your course or the research interest aligned with yours, please begin to write the code email for these professors separately. So, for instance, if you have professors in Harvard offering your course, you draft code email for these professors separately. For Stanford, you draft their code email separately. So you do it for all the universities, all the 200 universities, provided you have professors in all of them. You do it for all the 200 universities. So if you are sending them code email, you can begin to send one code email per professor per university. I hope you understand. So, for instance, if you said you decide to start sending your code email in the last week or third week of August, you can send code email to 200 universities, to 200 professors from these 200 universities. So if you have professors in all the 200 universities, you send code email to one of these professors per day or per week. Then you follow up maybe 4 days or a week later. Yeah, but one thing I would advise you to do, go over all the 200 universities, draft the code email for professors in your field in all the 200 universities and start sending code email to one of them at a time. Please don't send to more than two at a time. Yeah, it's very important. And one thing I also want you to note when you are looking for professors, please look for open house or information session. Yes, there are some schools I know like Wayne State University, Marquette University, University of Chicago, and some universities. Provided you attend their open house or information session, you get application fee waiver. Yes, so it is important you note some of these dates. And how can you get them? You can get them on their departmental website, or you email the graduate coordinator requesting for the date for the open house or information session. It's very important you attend some of them because you get to know more about the application cycle, you get to interact with current graduate students and also heads of department of that department you are applying to. So it is important you request and attend open house. Also, you can request for application fee waiver, um, official transcript waiver, English proficiency waiver. There's nothing that you can apply for the waiver. Yeah, so you can also email the graduate coordinator in this regards that you're requesting for a fee waiver or official transcript waiver or English test waiver. However, scholarship is becoming very competitive. So I advise that if you have the resources, please put in for an English test or you back up your application with an English language proficiency letter from your institution. So it is very important. Then one other thing I'll advise you to also look out for is when you are attending this open house, be ready to ask questions and be ready to pay attention. For instance, there are some schools that will request that your recommendation letters should come from professors. It is very important. Like last year, Wayne State University, the Department of College of Liberal Arts and Sciences, told prospective students that their recommendation letters should come from professors. It is very, very important. And that's why it is good you attend this open house, because you get to know more about the application cycle itself and about the department or university. Yes, so I'll drop this link to this Excel sheet in the description box. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me directly. But in all, please don't send code email to more than two professors per universities. These professors interact with each other. And for the fact that you have links to top 200 universities in North America, you don't have any excuse but to go over all of them, draft all the professors that are in your field, then begin to send them code emails one after the other. Yeah. And as a wrap up, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much for the support you've been giving to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video.